Good morning, kids! Today, we are going to learn again. Are you ready? Let's go! Our lesson for today is about color of things. Color of things. To start with, we have the color green. Say green. Green. Very good. This is the color green. Green frog. Please repeat after me. Green frog. Very good. Green leaf. Green leaf. So this is leaf and it is green. Next, green pea. Green pea. This is a pea and it is green. Green pea. Very good. Now, let's go to the next color. We have blue. Blue. Blue mug. Blue mug. This is a mug. We use it to drink coffee or tea. Blue mug. Blue mug. Blue butterfly. Blue butterfly. This is a butterfly. Have you seen a butterfly before? There are different colors, but the butterfly that we have is blue. Blue butterfly. Next, we have blue cup. Blue cap. Blue cap. We use this cap if it is very hot. Some boys have cap. Do you have a cap? Okay, this is blue cap. Next color we have purple. 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 Purple eggplant. Purple eggplant. Do you like this vegetable? This is eggplant. And it is purple. Ooh, do you know what is this? Yes, this is purple grapes. Purple grapes. This is grapes, and it is purple. Purple grapes. Next, we have purple kite. Purple kite. We tend to play kite if it is windy. Kite flies in the sky. Purple kite. Purple kite. Next we have pink. Pink. Color pink. Do you know what this is? Pink flower. Pink flower. It is a flower and it is pink. Do you like this one? It's yummy. It's a pink lollipop. Pink lollipop. Pink lollipop. This is a lollipop and it is pink. Oh, do you know what is this? Yes, this is a pig. It's a pink pig. It's a pink pig. Pink pig. Pink pig. Very good. Now, let's see. The color that we study is green, purple, blue, pink. Can we say it one more time? Green, purple, blue, pink. Now, let us color the things. Are you ready? Okay. What color is this? What color? Correct. This is green frog. Green. Very good. Next. What color is this? Correct. Blue. Blue mug. Blue mug. What color is this? Pink. Very good. Pink. Pink pig. Pink pig. What color is this? Purple. Very good. Purple. Purple grapes. Purple grapes. What color is this? Pink. Very good. Pink lollipop. Pink lollipop. What color is this? Purple. Very good. Purple. Purple kite. Purple kite. What color is this? Very good. Pink. Pink flower. Pink flower. What color is this? Green. Very good. Green leaf. Green leaf. Now let us recall. We have color green. Green. Repeat after me. Green. Blue. Purple. Pink. Those are our colors for today. See you again next time. Bye-bye.